Best 5 Above Ground Pools 2024. Welcome to the realm of above ground pools, where backyard dreams take shape and summer memories are made. Step into a world where the shimmering surface of crystal clear water beckons, and every splash is a symphony of joy and relaxation. Join us as we dive into the world of above ground pools, exploring their myriad features, designs, and innovations that make them a beloved fixture in countless households around the world. From sleek and modern to rugged and durable, there's an above ground pool to suit every style, budget, and backyard space. So let your imagination take flight as we embark on a journey through the enchanting realm of above ground pools, where the promise of endless summer adventures awaits just beyond the water's edge. 1. Intex Oval Frame Pool Set. The Intex Oval Frame Pool Set is popular choice among above ground pools, offering a range of features for enjoyable swimming experiences. Here's a detailed overview of what this pool set typically includes and its key features. Oval shape. Unlike traditional round above-ground pools, the Intex Oval Frame Pool Set features an oval shape, providing more swimming space while fitting well into various backyard layouts. Sturdy frame. The pool's frame is constructed from durable materials, often steel, to provide stability and support for the pool walls. This ensures the pool maintains its shape and structural integrity even when filled with water. Durable liner. The pool comes with a durable liner made from high-quality PVC material. This liner holds the water securely and prevents leaks, ensuring a long lifespan for your pool. Easy setup. Intex pools are known for their straightforward assembly process. The oval frame pool set typically requires minimal tools for setup, with the frame pieces snapping or locking together easily. This allows you to have your pool ready for filling with water in a relatively short amount of time. Included accessories. The Intex Oval Frame Pool Set usually comes with a variety of accessories to enhance your swimming experience. These may include a filter pump for water circulation, a ladder for easy entry and exit, a ground cloth for added protection, and a debris cover to keep leaves and other contaminants out of the water when the pool is not in use. Variety of sizes. Intex offers the oval frame pool set in various sizes to accommodate different backyard spaces and preferences. Whether you have a small or large yard, there's likely a size option available to suit your needs. Affordability. Compared to in-ground pools, the Intex Oval Frame Pool Set is a more affordable option, making it accessible to a wide range of homeowners who want to enjoy the benefits of having a backyard pool without the high cost and extensive construction. Overall, the Intex Oval Frame Pool Set provides a convenient, durable, and affordable option for creating a private swimming area in your backyard. Its oval shape, sturdy construction, and included accessories make it a popular choice for families looking to enjoy fun and relaxation in the water during the summer months. 2. Steel Pro Frame Pool Set. The Steel Pro is a 12-round pool, good for smaller yards and for younger families as it's only 30 high. It's also meant to be easy to assemble. The frame is made of heavy-duty, rust-resistant metal wrapped in PVC. They hold up the 3-ply polyester walls, and a band wraps around the entire pool, giving it even more support. It's very solid. The pool has a flow control drain valve that can attach to a garden hose for easy draining at the end of the season. What's included? This above-ground pool comes with a 330-gallon filter pump and filter cartridge, a heavy-duty repair patch, and a DVD detailing pool setup and maintenance. Overall, we like this pool. It's great value, a good size for those of us with smaller kids, and won't take up a huge part of your backyard. 3. Bestway Deluxe Splash Frame Kids Swimming Pool. The Bestway Deluxe Splash Pool is a fantastic addition to a small backyard, or a large backyard in which you don't want to have a pool take up all of the space. It's not huge, but it's definitely large enough for some serious water play. Think a few huge steps up from the classic round kiddie pool, if you wish. Parents and older kids can even enjoy this one with their littles without feeling silly. This pool takes about 30 to 40 minutes to set up, and then just add water. It takes 871 gallons of water. The frame. This pool frame sticks out approximately 12 wider than the pool, so be sure to allow for about 24 extra when you're measuring to see if this pool will fit in your backyard. The frame is made of steel, wrapped in PVC. Reinforced rope wraps around the bottom of the pool, holding the heavy-duty plastic walls neatly in place. 4. Intex metal frame pool with pump and filters. If you like the round above ground pools, this one by Intex is a great option. It's not huge, so it won't take up tons of space in your backyard. It sure will do the trick on a hot day. Again, note that this pool is only 30 deep, great for families with children, but possibly not quite what adults will be looking for. Assembly. This pool is very easy to set up. Once you have level ground prepared, which for some will be the hardest part, you simply lay out the pool, fit together the frame, and fill it up with water. When you want to empty the pool, simply attach a garden hose to the drainage hole and drain. The pool, the frame, and 6 extra filter type H filter cartridges, 29007E, that fit the, also included, Intex 330 GPH filter pump. You also get a maintenance and setup instructional DVD to make sure you'll have no issues getting your pool ready to go. 5. Intex Ultra Frame Pool. This pool is the one to look at if you're wanting to get a full-size above-ground pool that adults can enjoy easily along with their kids. What's included? This pool comes with nearly everything you need to enjoy this pool. The metal frame, pool walls made of super tough laminated PVC, crystal clear sand filter pump, has a built-in timer for automatic on-off, ladder, ground cloth, and pool cover. Debris only, not solar, are all part of the deal. Also included is an instructional DVD to show you the very easy setup. The only thing you will need are the chemicals you choose to add to the water and sand for the sand filter. One thing this pool has that none of the above pools has is dual suction outlet fittings. This improves water circulation, resulting in better water hygiene and clarity. Assembly. Intex claims this pool can be ready for water within 45 minutes. Snap together the frame and fill with water. 90% capacity is 5,061 gallons. Heads up that manufacturers warn not to set up this pool on sand, mud, or ground that has a lot of loose earth. Also, according to reviewers, this is a pool that really requires the ground to be level. This pool is one you and your family will enjoy for years, once the water finally warms up. Just a tip, you might want to purchase a solar cover or some black mats for on the ground to draw heat from the sunlight. Apparently a pool this size takes forever to warm up. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in comments down below. Thanks for watching.